Alright, what we have here is the AMF BIG 538 tractor. Sure you've seen the pictures, but might be able to see something you didn't see here in the video. The only things I really see on the tractor, looks like that washer may have been replaced there, and a newer bolt under there. Somebody definitely did pull a wagon with it because there is some play in the hitch. I did give this a light cleaning. A little overspray or something here. Not real sure there. The tractor's in real nice shape. I do have other pedal tractors and some pull behind dump wagons, and a color listed also. So I'm going to check those out. Front end does also tilt. It's a nice looking tractor. Really like the tall wheels. Like I said, look, sets it apart from other tractors I've seen.